Reading time! You can find magic wherever you look. Sit back and relax. All you need is a book. Hi there, kids. Let's have some fun reading together. Are you ready to read with me? Let's get going. Let's practice reading simple three-letter sentences. The man has a map. The man has a map. The man has a map. The dog is wet. The dog is wet. The dog is wet. The cat can nap. The cat can nap. The cat can nap. The pig is big. The pig is big. The pig is big. The bug can fly. The bug can fly. The bug can fly. The boy is sad. The boy is sad. The boy is sad. Bob can mop. Bob can mop. Bob can mop. The sun is hot. The sun is hot. The sun is hot. The dog can dig. The dog can dig. The dog can dig. The cat sits on the rug. The cat sits on the rug. The cat sits on the rug. Bye bye, kids. See you later. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new video alerts. Link to all phonics videos and printable worksheets are given below in the description box. Keep watching.